Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to the Blue Bike and Doors channel. Well, you guessed it, another Dickin around in the shed and all. So, got a mess. What a mess. Mail call and Dickin around in the shed. Inside this box, you'll find a screwdriver. Need to hang some of this stuff up. Oh, looky here. Well, yeah, I'm gonna hang these postcards up that I got from Dream Big Production. That was a good roll of tape. There, it's rolling away. Run the intro, I go catch my tape. Alright, got those up. So what we doing today? I guess you read the intro. I don't know what we doing. We got a little Hobo freight because I had to go get some gas, welding gas. And so I went by Hobo freight. Oh, another card. This is Odin. For when you order Odin gloves and you get a postcard. Anyway, I got some, I'm a Hobo membership club member, so I got these for $1 something. They, flapper disc, 36 grit. I don't have a 36 grit. Got bin stickers everywhere. Oh, look, another postcard. Just hanging up postcards today. Real glad Andy sent me that one. Let's see. Oh, and I got a new tape measure. Instant stay out. Got the trigger on top. Like that. My other one's got where it don't want to stay out. I'm going to use my knife because I know my knife because it's got my name on it. I looked to see if they had any of these with my name on it, but they didn't. So I got a BAUER. I guess how you say heavy duty guaranteed lifetime warranty. Automatic blade lock, 25-foot self-locking tape measure. Durable and economically case design. Protected nylon blade coating. That's what it says. Huh. You know, there's supposed to be a little bit of movement. You ever notice that? There's a little bit, I forget what it's for, but somebody, carpenter or somebody will tell me. Something about it adds 1/8 of an inch, I don't remember. And then a push button, locking design. Old Stanley's on the bottom and it won't stay out. Anyway, I got that, and I got a pair of pliers. I wanted a pair of pliers. I'm going to do some dinner work now. I'm going to cut the Pittsburgh thing off. I'm going to make me some thongs. Thongs? Not the kind you wear. Some extra long thongs. Blacksmithing thongs. Oh, that just cut all. And I wanted some cheap pliers. And I'm going to weld extended to them. And then have them out here so I can reach in there and grab stuff out of my forge. So let's go do that. Making tools. I guess that's what we call it. I fixed my leak on my bottle. I figured out where I was leaking at. I told you I thought I had a leak. Some of it was coming from where I didn't have this tight, and I got it so tight, I dug it good and tight. Wasn't leaking here, but it was leaking down here going into the welder. And as you can see, it's turned off, and I hadn't lost any. We probably haven't even looking, never mind. We'll move on. So what was I doing? Oh, make the thongs to reach up in the forge. And let's get it outside, because we might do something. I've learned, how are you going to learn to do stuff if you don't do it, right? So I learned I need to let the metal cook long enough. I'm impatient. I'm not letting it get up to good and yellow. And then once I get it up, I gotta make another tool. I'm making tools for my forge. I'm gonna start using my forge more, so we can start forging. So how y'all doing? Oh yeah, we forgot to do something. Y'all gotta remind me because y'all my helpers. And I can't remember nothing. I can't remember nothing. Won't you? Oh, putting trash up. Won't you be my, let's try that again. Won't you be my helper? Neighbor, howdy neighbor. Y'all ready to help? Oh God. All right, I measured this out with my new tape measure. And I'm over here, you over there. I need a helper, a cameraman, like them big. So I measured it out. Ooh, I like that. 16 inches. And I can stick that right there. So I'm gonna get my other new tool. We're gonna chop this off right here. What's the catchphrase? Like butter. Cuts like butter. Alright, and less sparky too. So I got 2 pieces here. Oh yeah. I'm making these some jigs I made. This is for a bee. Could be a part of a bee. Be a bee like that. And then I bend it around, make a bee. Two identical bees and just move one over a little bit. And it also makes, no, this don't make bees. This just makes bees or C's. It could be a C. See? And this was an E, but it could be I don't know. And I made these. This is for a D. Yep. So I'll make this one a G. Is that the D or the O? Huh. That might have been the O. And the other one might have been an O. I don't remember. This is just a G or a J or something. Huh. Okay. So let's hope we can weld this up. This is what I'm planning, is just putting these, something like that. So when I close them, I can hold it like so. And they'll be closed. So I gotta figure out how I want to do that. Put them on top. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do that. All right, we're gonna weld that side. Yep. Whew. That's ugly. That's ugly Google Mark. Y'all letting me forget stuff. I had the gas where I could see the thing was on, but I forgot I cut it back off to make sure I don't leak any, and it was holding pressure. So that's why it wasn't welding good. Try that again. Let's make another pass on it. This time with the gas on. Oh, God. All right. Welding again. Back, and I'll turn my fan on because it's fumigating. All right, the weld looks better on that side than this side. Wonder why? Because I made one good pass. All right, let's see if we can't stick the other side on. Woo, don't touch that, it's hot. I made a longer pliers. I hate this helmet. It won't stay on my noggin. I clamp it down like using my welding hat. When it moves around, click, 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 click. Welding. All right, you know, a good blacksmithing would he got to make his own tools. I just halfway made my own tools. See, it's working, and that's what I wanted. Got a lot of flex to it, so I can really hold on to it. And that picks up that bar, so I can hold up that hot metal. See, it works. Yep, I can set it down. I can go in. Clamp it with my jaws of steel, my hands of steel, and then I can reach in a hot forge and won't burn myself. I got one good weld, two good welds on this side, so this is the good side. This is the Craigslist side. All right, now I'm gonna make another tool, but I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna let these cool off a little bit. All right, the next tool I'm gonna make is a bending device that will go, one will go on the inside and one go on the outside of the metal, so when I can help bend it around. Okay. So this is what I did. So when you got a bar in here like this, I can take it and just roll it around when it's hot, and then I can just roll it around, and it comes all the way around. Now, I am missing one because unless this is the O, I can't remember, but it makes a good C if it is. Oh, I could bring it all the way around. So let's heat up some metal and see what it does. All right, folks, we ain't got no tires to kick, but we're fixing to light the fire. So this is how we light the forge. You get you a torch, piece of paper, you get that burning, you stick that in there, and then you reach up here, and then you go, and it lights. And where this wind's blowing, probably, I don't know, what can you see? You don't see no flames. It's blue. We don't want that gas line coming around the front. The wind blowing, it's kind of messing up my pipe there on top. You can hear it rolling, can't you? Yeah, I can feel the heat come out. So let's get us a bar and put it in there and see what it does. Whew. Get my pliers. I got my metal. I'm going to put it right in there where the hot spots is. And this work takes some time. Because you need to let it cook. And that's my biggest problem. I wasn't letting it heat up. So once that thing starts glowing red in there, that's when I'll heat, you know. Yeah. As you can see, so let's get that hot. We're just using some short pieces because I couldn't reach it there before. All right, we're gonna see what we does here. hot metal. So we're going to put this in, and then we're going to see if we can't bend it around. This is the first time using this, so it does pretty good, I guess. But I got a bar in there. Not bad. Well, needs more heat in it. That's why I don't heat it up enough. Shoot. Well, still experimenting here. Can't do it with one hand. There we go. We got it. Probably let it cool down too much. Well, yeah, we don't let it cool down too much. There we go. Go back to where I was saying, gotta let it heat up all the way. Well, you see the principle of it. Alright, I want you, this is how, I don't know, you can see the color difference on this one. I can't keep up my tools here. How hot it is. I didn't leave myself enough metal, that's what I did. Yeah. I can cut that right there and make a halfway decent oh, what a relief it is. Well, we're going to close it out here. I can switch my hat, but I ain't going to do that right now. Anyway, I want to play with some more, and I figured that'd be enough what y'all can see. Don't be homemade forge and homemade tools. That's all we're working with. Making homemade ladders. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and we'll get to you later. But yeah, bye.